Authorities saying Cedric Anderson targeted his estranged wife, Karen Smith, while she was teaching.
A father accused of killing his pregnant wife and 2 young daughters.
Her boyfriend faces 25 years to life in prison if convicted.
Oscar Wilde said that each man kills the thing he loves. So one day, if a man loves me, I hope he'll do it gently, in a way that won't tear my mother apart. Not belly up by the highway or naked in a parking garage, but maybe in my sleep, in my bed. Eyes already closed so she doesn't have to do it. The coward does it with a kiss, the brave man with a sword. I don't really see anything brave about needing a weapon. They say on Criminal Minds that stabbing suggests impotence, so really it says more about him than me. Some love too little, some too long, some sell and others buy. Some do the deed with many tears, and some without a sigh. If it does happen, I hope he doesn't have the audacity to cry after. That'd be pretty pathetic. Like, what right do you have to kill me and then be sad about it after? Disgusting. Listen, give me a pretty dress. Stuff my bra a bit. My sisters can have my good earrings. Bury me in the ones that rusted after I wore them in the shower one too many times. Photoshop me thinner in the funeral programs. Use a few filters. Up the saturation. It's the least you could do. Say that I was funny. Be honest, but be nice too. Talk about my finer moments, the beautiful ones. Mention the candles, the poems, the stick and pokes I got on my ankles at Regent Park. The haircut if you must, but if you tell that story, tell it like this. I was small and grabby. I understood my body by the ways I could remove it, give it different shapes, contort and twist. It makes sense when I explain these things. If no one was tearing at the tangled curls on my head, then they were nagging at me to do it myself. So guess what I did? I crawled under the covers. Are you listening? I crawled under the covers, armed with safety scissors. Do you understand now? I crawled under the covers and cut it all off myself.
The dirt underneath my fingers has been there for too long, and I can't carve it out. When it got there, I'm not sure, but it's itching to tell me the truth. My hands betray me and take the pieces I shouldn't need. Soil slides between my fingers, and holes will fix my mistakes. Trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me. Cover-ups haven't failed before. Deeper, 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 deeper. I shouldn't. You will. We know you will. We know you will. We know you will. We know you will. They tell me lies are the new truth. The pieces will stay where I hid them. Let gravel scrape my hands until I am numb. It whispers as I write on this very page. Nail polish and glossy finish can't hide what's underneath. Let me try. Isn't it pretty? Pretty, 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 pretty. I know I've done wrong. My fingers tell me so. I can't say. Don't make me say, please. I said that I would stop. You promised. They whisper. I know. Please stop punishing me and let me wash my hands. Let me be clean. Let me be free. No.
Lights up. Music cue. Establishing shot, the dollhouse. Evening. 4 dolls sit in a kitchen. 1 is a mother. 3 are someone's daughters. The mother brings the food to the table. The daughters begin to eat. There's an empty chair that no one looks at. Next day, living room. Afternoon. The daughters are reading. The mother comes downstairs and leaves without a word. The radio turns on by itself. The daughter turns it off. They disperse. The radio turns back on. Daughter's bedroom. It's too quiet. Like I can feel this house hold its breath. It's waiting. We're all waiting. And it's too quiet. The study. We're gathering dust. It settles in our lungs, and soon it will sink into our bones. Dead skin, and dirt, and ash. This is what's left of us now. The basement. Something is missing. These boarded up windows seem to say. Something. Someone? The absence echoes throughout time and space, asking, did this someone ever exist? Is this someone a figment of our imagination? Are we making up a life to fill the absence in this house? Are we the haunted, or are we the ghosts? New day, the kitchen, afternoon. The daughters wait for their lunch. The mother is not home yet. There is stillness. A figure walks past in the reflection of the glass, stills. A door slams below. The figure disappears. The mother stumbles up the steps to her room without a word. There will be no lunch today. The master bedroom, night. I am full. The daughters are full. This house is full. The attic, twilight. A doll stands in the doorway. The doll stomps. The doll slams. The doll needs to be heard. The doll opens their mouth, but their voice comes from the walls, the ground, the sky. The sound permeates the emptiness in the house. The earth shakes, shatters, shivers. The dollhouse stands. New day, the kitchen, morning. 4 dolls sit in the kitchen. The food is on the table. There is an empty chair. The dolls watch the chair tuck itself in. They begin to eat.